So many generations were only an inch away of seeing the truth and realizing it fully. So close, so many times. Klal Yisrael is ready to go into Eretz Yisrael. If Klal Yisrael reaches Eretz Yisrael, humanity realizes its purpose. And that's it. The suffering is over. Everybody can rejoice. Everybody can relax. No more struggle. Nothing to fight for. No one to fight. We don't need to learn war. We don't need to learn combat. We don't need any protective mechanisms. Everything is perfect. But first, they send Meraglim. And then they lose their ticket. They lose their ticket into the perfect reality. What's the ticket into the perfect reality? Belief. They lost their belief. They lost their emunah. They no longer believed that they can go into that country and have it. And so they couldn't. There was an opportunity to close the deal, to finally start fresh, to finally create a space that is safe. Safe for who? For us. But we lost that opportunity. If only they knew what depends on their belief, what depends on their power, on those few moments when they're being tested, they would pass that test with flying colors. But in their mind, there was a different narrative. It was a different story. Look how much we've been through. Look at everything that's happened till now. Look how complicated it's going to be. Who knows what might happen? And so in their mind, they thought that realization is miles away, that it'll take forever, that who knows. But in reality, they were so close. They were almost there. The spiritual war of good and evil is not about what's happening outside. How are we behaving? The behaviors are only helping the different sides in this spiritual war. But the behaviors of themselves are not where the war is taking place. The war is taking place in our beliefs. Do we believe the world is good? Or do we believe the world is evil? Do we believe people are good? Do we believe people are evil? That's the war. The soldiers in the war are the different behaviors that we observe, the different ideas and concepts that we believe, the different interactions, the different words that we hear. Those are the soldiers that are going to decide which side is winning. But the war itself is a war of belief. When the beliefs are shaky, when the beliefs are not properly based, then when we get tested, we see. The test clarifies to us about what we believed and about how much we really believed it.